Getting some answers for us about how the recent atmospheric rivers are impacting the drought. So talk to us about that.
That's right, Tony. I'm here at Edgewood, and we have beautiful conditions here right now. Lots of snow here on the mountains because of those atmospheric rivers. It was cold enough to bring a lot of snow, and we did get some rain in the valley as well. So atmospheric rivers, that's one of those words that you're going to continue to hear this season. So what we're talking about, that Pineapple Express, you've heard that expression before. That's where we get a lot of moisture coming down from past the Hawaiian Islands there. So that's why it gets its nickname, the Pineapple Express. But what we're seeing also with the atmospheric river, it's the same thing. It's exactly how it sounds. It's a river of moisture that's moving across the atmosphere. And what it does, we typically get about 3 atmospheric rivers a year. And that's exactly what we saw in October that brought that record rainfall here in the valley locations and downtown Sacramento. In one day, we broke a record that we have never seen before. Also in Vacaville, we got 8 inches of rain from that storm system that moved through. Now, the storm that moved through in December, that was another atmospheric river, and it brought plenty of snow here to the Sierra. Now, in 2017, we actually had 13 atmospheric rivers across the area. And just with any weather pattern, it's so difficult to tell how our seasons are going to be one year after the other. But one of the things, a new tool that they will have to determine how much water vapor is in an atmospheric river is a C-130 reconnaissance plane. It flies actually out of Mather, right in our own backyard. It flies into the atmospheric river to pick up the amount of moisture. So that'll give a good indication of when those storm systems do come through, how much rain we'll get. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the predictability factor as far as how many atmospheric rivers we may see. And, I asked the question to the expert, Chad H., are we seeing more atmospheric rivers than not? So, it's one of those questions that is really difficult to answer.